This is a tutorial video for assembling the PBMI height and weighing scale.
Open the second carton. You will find poles and other items. Remove gently from the carton. One pole is for display and having the printer. Second pole is the top pole on which we will fix the scanner. Now you can see we have got 4 parts in the body mass index machine. One is the top pole, this one is the bottom pole, this is the scanner, and this is the platform. Now we will fix all these 4 parts and then our BMI machine will be ready. As you have opened the first pole, you will find a 5-pin connector that is going to be connected with the platform. In the platform, the load cell connector is here. The pole wire will come and will be connected here.
Go.
Now we have to remove this 4 Allen key bolt so that it can be fitted in the platform. This is the bottom of this pole. It will be fitted in the platform. Now the connector will be inserted into the platform.
One.
For fitting the pole, we have to slightly tilt the pole and the platform.
As you can see, this is a nut being fitted. This is the last bolt being fitted. Tighten all bolts properly. Go.
Now the bottom pole is being fitted with the platform properly with the help of 4 Allen key bolt.
Go.
Now open the second and top pole having the display. First we have to fit the scanner, that is height sensor, to the top of the pole. Open all the Allen key bolt 4 in numbers so that scanner can be fitted. Now we have to fit the height sensor, and for that we have to open the back cover.
Go.
Now open the cover, and now we will fit the sensor. We have to take out the connector from the hole. Open the connector so that it can be inserted into the hole easily. Now take the connector from the sensor body. Now we have to fit all the 4 Allen key bolt to tighten the scanner or sensor. Now as you can see, all the 4 Allen key bolt has been tightened with the sensor. Now we have again assembled the connectors so that it can be connected with the sensor connector. After connecting the connector, it should be tightened properly.
Go.
Now tighten the top cover of the sensor. Now all the screws has been tightened with the sensor. Now we have to assemble the bottom platform along and the top pole. Now after that our machine will be complete to use.
Go.
Now we have to loosen and take out all the 4 bolts which are fitted in the bottom pole.
Go.
Now for opening of this plate, we have to remove first the cover on the top pole. Now we have to remove this plate so that 4 holes are there. Through this we will tighten the bolt and it will be fitted in the bottom of the bottom pole. Now we have to fit the top pole with the bottom pole. And we have to tighten from this place we have to tighten the bolts, all these 4 bolts in this pole. We have to tighten all these 4 bolts properly. Now tighten the cover. Now cover has been tightened properly. Now our machine is ready to use.
Oh.
Now our machine is ready to use. Now switch on the machine. Good. Now stand on the machine and look straight. After few seconds, it will give you printout.